This I go finish it. This I will never. This I go finish it. I can ask a question.
You're not doing it. You're not doing it here yet, so don't do
No,
that.
you do say you fuck up, bro. This I go finish everything.
Yet. Guys, 9 rows chat. You don't do me there yet, Kevin. Me an idiot.
Alright, so, your dear what me want from you.
What you want from me? Yeah.
More you for reach on top of the podium today. Chat 9 person 1 rows. Come on.
Guys, 9 rows chat. The job back where you didn't say.
No.
Guys, Jay, so, thank you, baby. Guys,
that answer your question?
No, because you're old back. That's not nice.
No, I'm not old back. And this is not nice. You mess it here. You mess it here. How much are they in the podium now? How much are they on the podium?
Next daily. Number 7. Just show me 7.
Them say me a user.
Huh?
Them say me a user.
User?
You.
Oh no, 37. 37. Me this today, yeah, 37. Yeah, guys.
I kinda that really make me just really
37 see.
Did I come up there Sunday. Did I come up there, but I said I need to just buy a new camera now, and them say me I use I make more there when I through the other side of the staying on my ring now. I over on that.
Amika boo.
Oh.
Chat, double tap guys. Double tap for me now, please.
Yeah, I see you buy big Audi. How's she going?
Don't think you that make nobody at all stop you. I feel like you more listen to, alright, me know me say some things to you will hurt you, right? And you say some things will hurt me.
No,
right?
You can say the thing that me say some look 1 3 1 3 where even apology can fix.
No, don't do it. Don't do it. Kevin, if you be fear, you really want me to say something where you say as a man, where you shouldn't even say out of your mouth, you want me to say that?
No.
Alright, you see, because you don't want to face it. You don't want to face it.
Oh God, man.
Okay. Come on, we go play the game. We'll play the game. I'm here looking at your face. Big up to my MVP, number 3 shooter, blue team. Big up
guys,
yourself, guys.
Everybody will shoot. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, may I ask you a question? So, for people, them, all right, don't you think people trouble me after things where you said about me?
No.
Why no?
No. Where them trouble about? Where them trouble about for me say? Me I gotta tell you, where them trouble about for me say?
After what you say? Me suck. And the best thing me do, me suck. You remember that? Next thing again, my mouth.
All right, leave that.
So much. When me give up to the dentist, done.
No, I hear that.
No, you don't want hear because you don't want to face it.
I don't face nothing, man.
Well, you don't want to stand up towards things or whatever. Where you
no, that I don't stand up to everything. I don't face nothing.
All right, so tell me something where you say where you should never say to me as a woman.
You just
say it out there. Kevin, look at me. Say
just name out couple. So I have to go back in that again. And that at the past, we don't fear to go back in the past.
Oh no, man. You see, you're weird. You're weird when you're ready. You're weird. Guys, double tap for me now, please. Let me catch your speed. Sorry.
I feel like showing me.
What? Basically, double tap, guys.
No, not you. I know you, brother. I chat, brother. For what?
Guys, nobody can block my blessing. My blessing and my blessing. Father God, guys, everybody, may I beg on a drop a rose, please, yeah? You done? want to hang out with Rose. Guys, everybody, chat me a beg a Rose.
I can say
Yes,
never.
everybody. I win what? Win what?
Me still go on the date, date.
You want me to still go on the dinner date? Guys, one more. Two more Rose.
That's a question.
Yeah, me okay if we go on a date with you. But me not like how them plan a party for me and you and like you go around the party.
Which party?
What you mean by which party, Kevin?
Remember what day I keep my party, nobody no come on party. Yeah.
Bro, me just your mind weird. That is it. That's it. Guys, we're gonna somebody use the triple chat. What do you them plug? Guys, me I beg gonna everybody come together my side. Guys, me have 3,000 odd people over here, so blue team, because me know see a lot of you guys here, so now they on the blue team, guys. Me ask
Me
blue
not
team
tell her.
guys.
Me not
Shoot.
tell her. If me I pull up,
JJ,
me not
Christy.
tell her.
You not tell me so.
No, me I say if me I pull up, me not tell her say me I pull up.
Guys, everybody my side. Come on my side. Shoot on the triple.
But,
So if you know say anybody not go to the party and them gonna put your name on flyers, they could have just said something. You know, so me and you could have a good relationship. It's just that you love watch people too much and listen to people have to say. No, you love listen to what people have to say on social media and that become your life, right? So you just love listen to people. You get me? But my eye them wide, what me hear them no lock.
my eye them wide too.
That more why you know. I'm glad you know them open. JJ, thank you. Queen, you get her gloves. D, big up yourself. Chrissy, thank you, baby.
Love yourself. I Keda. I don't know what happens, guys. I like what I'm going to say.
Guys, wanna tell me all the things them when you can go and make a push up a score, please, and thank you.
You better end the live and go back my office, you know. Ah,
You could have said something different. Anne Marie, thank you.
you answer a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Read my lips.
Bro, we can't read lips. You know we can't read lips. You know we can't. Just tell me. Please. Whisper, come, tell me.
When last I get some loving. when last I get some loving.
Long time.
Why the phone I want to reconnect now? You hear me say?
Yeah, you never hear me say?
No.
What is answer?
When? Answer again.
It's a long time.
You want to come grab up the butterfly and the throat.
Bro. What goes by again? Chat, me have gonna rose, guys. Each person drop a rose, please. Guys, help me catch a speed no chat, please, and thank you, guys. Each person chat, me have gonna rose.
Chat 12 person, one rose no chat.
Guys, each person me have a rose, guys.
Yeah, answer me.
Come on,
Yeah,
my
answer
side.
me.
Come on, guys. Each person me have a rose, guys.
You feel you're cute. Suck your mother and come on for me.
Each person me have a rose, guys. Come on, chat. It's so all right. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Queen Mick. Queen Mick, do you want wheel or something? No? Annie,
Hmm?
blink 2 times if you want help.
Yeah, I never see that.
True.
Right, come on, guys. Triple chat. Guys, we're gonna stump on the triple, guys. Shoot on the triple team, you.
That's right. Me said, guys,
Come
you
on,
gonna take
chat.
me off a
Shoot.
69. Me a no freak. Take me off
Come
a
on, guys. Shoot on the
69.
triple, guys. So if you teach me to drive the Audi.
Yeah, more you do. Yeah, more you do. More you bring the Audi, come up, come park it at my gate. And I'm straighten it and drive it.
Straight neat. What funny one
No,
straight?
as in, license not insure it for the road and drive it.
Oh.
Yes, but and me, I gotta have it on my foot. But anytime you call me, I go pull up.
You keep on a call the phone.
Huh?
Guys, thank you so much, baby. Thank you. Hello, somebody may ask you this, right? But it ask you, I'm supposed to ask you. Hold on, Kevin. Fool, you take me for you know.
Yeah, my comment section that
Oh,
kill
I'm
me.
big fool. No, you tell me be a big fool. Remember me tell her that. Nah, lie to you.
Yo, my comment section that kill me, bro. Yo, Jesus Christ.
I hear that you take me for man.
So where you say about that? Them people are deadly.
Your mama punkus and punkers, yeah.
No, stop talking about, what's that talking about that? No, I say something to you a while ago. Where you say about that?
Bro, where this guy ask me to drive, come up there and park at your gate?
Stop calling me, bro. Me your brother and sister.
No.
Alright. Talk to me.
So where this guy, the question I asked me to park at your gate and come up there?
Yeah.
Kevin, look for me. Not until you take yourself and come see me and push interest in me, may I consider what you are saying. Like it a go through my ears.
Say, yo, that, come do that, come park it at my gate and drive it.
Me not have a problem when you push some interest in me. Yeah.
I joke, me that makes sense, but me just is a questions. I look at test question to see
No,
how
your test question, me straight with anything me I say in a life. I saw me see. That's why I say me no idiot to take me for because I know I fool you over the sal I laugh and I say things to people them hear. Guys, everybody may beg a rose chat.